I have a million things I want to share with you guys, but sometimes just to do a 1 minute video can take 2 hours. I'm going to show you how I now create 1 minute videos in just a few minutes using a new tool from HeyGen. Let's get started. HeyTechNomad here, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest creation tool from HeyGen. I've used HeyGen, Synthesia, a whole bunch of other ones, but right now, HeyGen is my guy. And if it works out the way I want, I'll be able to produce a lot more content in a lot less time. See, what if I have an idea for a 1 minute video? And it's something that I want to tell you guys. It's something that just happened. I want to get it out there. I gotta take out my camera, I've gotta put on makeup because if not, I look like I did hard time at Dartmoor prison. There's just so many things that have to happen. I've gotta write my script, I've gotta create B-roll, I've gotta edit it all together. I don't always have all that time. For a 1 minute piece, I could take 2 hours to make a 1 minute video. With HeyGen, I don't have to do that anymore. This is my actual avatar that I've created, and the way I created, I went and had my makeup done and recorded this one, and this is the best version of me. As you can see, it's created some other versions of me, and I don't know why it always does this. You can see the additional furrow lines in the forehead, and it's put some weight on my face. Some of these came out better than others, but in general, a lot of them look the camera's supposed to take off 5 years. Well, this looks like it added on 15. Some of them are better than others. Once I've given it my avatar image, I can either use this one, which would be perfect, or I can use one of these other ones if I want to change up my outfit or my setting. Previously, the way that this would work is that I would come to AI Studio, click on the plus sign, letting it know I want to make a new video, and then I would put in my script or upload my audio. It would go through its machinations and come out the other side. With HeyGen's newest feature, I type in my idea for my video, and then it takes it from there. I'm doing one right now for a product I have called Prompts by Design. I'm making a 1 minute advertisement video for this that I'm going to put up on TikTok or a couple of other places. So it took the script that I gave it, came up with all the B roll, and then I just substituted one of the images because it didn't know exactly what my product looked like. And now it's ready to go.
Got a killer prompt buried in a notes app somewhere? A dozen tabs you swear you'll organize later? Yeah, stop that. Meet Prompts by Design, the cloud home for every prompt you love. One place, access anywhere. And here's the part nobody else is doing. An ever-growing library of curated, ready-to-go prompts, built for people who want results. Now the kicker. This isn't another subscription bleeding you monthly for the rest of time. One payment, lifetime access, pay once, own it forever. So quit renting your tools. Go to promptsbydesign.com and try it free.
Okay, that's all I needed anyways. And to spend 2 or 3 hours to create this. Are there some issues with this? Yes. Does it sound 100% like me? No. But if I'm advertising to somebody, they don't know what I sound like anyway, so it's okay. So so I'm gonna say generate this, and in 10 minutes, I can have a 1 minute video with B-roll that looks professional, ready to go. That's where this whole thing is going. And I saw 2 other pieces that make this even more interesting. One is HeyGen has always had an API, and an API, which stands for Application Program Interface, means I can tell it to do this without coming in the program. I can send it instructions via the internet. So I can say, "Here's this script, throw it into this, give me the part on the other side." The next thing I'm dying to take a look at, which is Opus Clip. Opus Clip is what I use to post to YouTube and a bunch of other places. They did have an API. They wanted $82 billion for it. They now have realized that nobody's going to pay $82 billion for it. So now they're giving it to you and they're just charging you credits. You'll end up paying $82 billion in credits, but that's okay. It's over a period of time. I'm at the point where I can have an idea, say, "Oh, I wanna tell you guys about XYZ." I can either write out a script or give it all the details, have it make the script, make the video, make the B-roll, push it to Opus Clip, and publish it on TikTok without me touching a keyboard. I just looked up something and it said that it takes the average content creator anywhere from 2 to 6 hours to create 1 minute of video, polished video like we just saw. I'm now gonna be able to do that in a few minutes. So just think about what kind of an advantage that gives me over the average content creator. Is it perfect? No, it is not perfect. I'm the first one to tell you that. Is it a little out of sync sometime? Yes, but I'm sure it'll get better over time. But for most people who are casually looking at things over their phone, this is more than perfect. So this will allow me to share many more pieces of information. I would say over the course of an average day, there's like 10 things that I think you guys would just love to know about. But think about what that means. 10 things a day at that's 70 hours times it just doesn't work. So, do you see yourself using something like this to create content for yourself or others? Leave a comment down below and tell me if you like it or tell me if you hate it. I want to hear what you have to say. Until the next time, this is Orman Beckles, aka the High Tech Nomad, signing out.